Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and the video. Today we are making super low budget Halloween decor. This was inspired by Matthew Peech. I will be linking his video channel in the description. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoy the video. The background music was History of Perseus by Maxim Dudchik. I'll be linking him in the video description. I also wanted to give another shout out to Matthew Peech. I hope you look up his woodworking channel. He is full of fantastic ideas, and like I said, it's his inspiration. If you are a fan of Matthew Peech's videos or you've seen him before, you'll definitely understand the fence posts and slat boards. Anyhow, best of luck to you out there.